Students, today we are going to study chapter 4, Love is Life. Here in this chapter, the writer says that God is supreme. Supreme means He is the greatest, He is the biggest, who has created the whole universe and all the living beings. Means He has created us and He loves us. The God loves all His creation. Creation means He loves us. We are the creator. We are the creator of God. So all saint teaches us the way to love and the path that leads to God. If we love His creation, we'll also love God. As you all know that we all are the creators of God. So He loves us and we must also love the God. Then love make all living beings live happily. As we all know, without love we cannot live happily. If there is no love in our house, our parent doesn't love us, we cannot live in that house because they love us and they take care of us. We are there and we live happily in our house. You need love just as you need air to breathe. As we need breathe means you all know that with the help of the nose we breathe. Okay, we breathe in and out. So as you all know that we breathe, in the same way we need love in our life. As we breathing is important, love is also important. So it is love of your parents that makes you grow. You all know that your parents loves you so much. They take care of you, they give you lunch and breakfast and dinner on time. They tell you to study. They wake you up and send you to school for the education, and they love you. They take care of you when you are feeling sick. They take your they give you the whole attention. That is why you are growing. Okay, love is the health giving tonic. As you all know that when there is love, when we are sick we become healthy again very soon because of love and care of our parents. So a famous child specialist used to write TLC every 3 hours. It means TLC means tender loving care. So the children need love for their growth. Okay, then love heals means ठीक करना. With the help of love we get healed soon. Okay, children who are unwilling to go to school are convinced by the love and care of their mother. Love makes you proud of success of others. Okay, when you feel loved, when others are making success, you feel happy for them also. You will not feel jealous when they are being successful in their life. So it rejoices at being together. It finds happiness in caring and sharing. When you are loving someone, you take care of them and you share your everything. You share everything with them. Okay, so love forgives. Forgives means maaf karna. When you love someone, you what you do, you forgive them. Means आप उन्हें माफ़ कर देते हैं. If they are right or wrong, you just forget and forgive. The supreme manifesto of love is sacrifice. Sacrifice means त्याग करना. If your parents love you, then they sacrifice many things for you. You don't know, but they sacrifice many things for your love. Okay, love is gentle. We all know that love is gentle and caring. It makes us generous and kind to others. Love never dies. And all great men and women of the world are people who have loved others. Okay, they are remembered by their loving deeds. Next page, students. Even plants and animals need love to grow. You all know that when we take care of the plants, animals, trees, and our pet animals and fruits, then they are in good condition. And I'll tell you one story. There is a story which I'm going to tell you just now. It is about three old men who have come in a house of a lady who is there who is there in the chapter. You can see here in this picture, love is patient, it makes us tolerant towards other. So here there is a woman who had praying for long for wealth and success. See every day she prays for the success and see wealth means paisa. तो वो what she says के I need wealth and success. So one day what happened, three old men came and sat on outside of her house, and they asked her whether your husband is there in the home. She said no, he is not there, he is out. They said when your husband will come, we will enter to your house. Then she said okay. Then when her husband came, she told her husband that my for meeting you, three old men are waiting for you outside and they want to meet you. Just go and ask what is the matter. Then when her husband said go tell them I'm at home and invite them. Then she came out and invited the three men. Then what they do, when do not go into a house together. What they replied, they said we together don't get into the house together, we don't go inside together in the house. Why is that so? That the lady asked them why that's so. So she wants to know. One of the old men explained I am love and others are wealth and success. The name of one old man is love, and the second is wealth, and the third one is success. Then they added, now go in the and discussion with your husband that whom you wants to come inside in your home, wants in your home. The woman went in and told her husband that only one person will come inside the home. How nice. He said, let us invite wealth. Her husband said, let her invite the wealth. Then, oh my dear, why don't we invite success? Then his wife agreed him for wealth, and he said, why don't we invite success? Then finally their daughter-in-law was listening to them and jumped and said, would it be not better to invite love? Means she wants to invite love, their daughter wants to invite love inside. Then the lady said, okay, we are going to invite love. Which one of the you are in love is love? She said, which one is the love? He may come inside and other please sit here. Then when love got up and started walking towards the house, the other two also got up followed him. Means when love get up to go inside, the wealth and success also followed him. This is because if you had this is because wherever there is love, there is wealth and success. Okay, so if the person says, the old man says that if you had invited wealth and success, the other two of us would have stayed out. यानी it means अगर आपने wealth को बुलाया होता तो success और love बाहर बैठे रहते, अगर आपने success को बुलाया होता तो wealth और love बाहर बैठे होते. लेकिन if you have invited love, we three of them will come inside, because जब प्यार होता है घर में तो पैसा और समृद्धि दोनों साथ साथ आती है. So love is the most important thing of our life. Dear students, here in the question number 2 you can see that read and understand these lines and learn them. You have to learn this poem. It's a small poem about love. Some lines are there, 6 lines are there. You have to learn it properly so that it may come in your exam, quarterly exam. So you have to learn it properly. Okay, thank you.